Ready to turn your Wix website into a smooth selling machine with Square payments? First, head over to your Wix website editor and click on the Settings tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your central hub for managing everything about your site. Next, scroll down the Settings menu until you find Accept Payments and give it a click. This is where you'll connect your chosen payment methods. You'll see a list of payment providers. Find Square and select it as your payment gateway. A window will pop up prompting you to connect your Wix account to Square. Click the Connect button to begin the linking process. You'll be redirected to Square's secure login page. Enter the email address and password associated with your Square account and hit Sign In. Review the permissions Wix is requesting. It's important to understand what information Wix will have access to. Once you're satisfied, click Allow to grant access. You'll be directed back to your Wix Accept Payment settings, and you should now see Square listed as a connected payment method with a green connected status. Awesome! Double-check a product page to find the new Square-powered checkout button. Your customers can now enjoy secure and seamless transactions using Square on your Wix website.